In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card, whether you have a digital or a physical gift card. Let's start with digital. If someone sent you a digital gift card, it'll show up in your email and look something like this. And yes, I did buy myself this gift card just for the purpose of this video. Anyways, if you scroll down, all you have to do is click this button called apply to your Amazon account. Just like that, you click apply, and there you go, the $5 has been applied to your account. But what if you got a physical gift card? Well, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description and it'll bring you to this page. If that isn't showing up for you, you can still just go through the link in the description, go ahead and click on your name right up here, and then click on gift cards. You'll notice here that it'll show you your gift card balance, and all you have to do is click redeem a gift card. Now on the physical card that you have, there will be a code on the back. All you have to do is locate the claim code on the back of your card and then just type it in here. So whatever the numbers are, just type it in like that. Then you'd click apply to your balance, and as long as your claim code is valid, you will be able to redeem this money through your Amazon gift card. If this video helped you, please consider leaving a like, as it helps me make these videos for you guys completely for free. Peace.